unang-una, we have the carrots. Kindly help me.
Sure.
Then, hihiwain ko lang po ito. Talong.
Sarap ng roasted veggies.
Naman.
Napakatamis.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Okay, so, oil. Then, meron na po. Olive oil po, meron na po. I-roast lang natin itong lahat ng gulay. Ito munang celery at saka carrots.
Celery and carrots.
Ano, pwede na sabayan. Total, i-roast naman lahat yan. Pwede na lahat yan.
Eh, yun naman pala eh. Tomatoes.
Ito naman, napakaganda ito kasi quarters ko lang. Ganyan lang.
Okay.
Half lang. Lahat sa atin, maraming gulay, Dennis, di ba?
Oo nga po.
So, roast natin hanggang sa maging mabango. Ihalo na natin yung tomato.
Okay. Rosemary. Bango.
Bango, no? Okay. So, habang ni-roast natin yan, ito namang chicken, titimplahan ko lang, i-marinate ko lang, salt, and pepper, homemade mustard, of course, a little garlic, a little olive oil. I have olive oil here. Alright? European oregano. This one. Okay. So, muna natin balat.
Bango.
Masarap ito kasi grilled.
Smoky flavor.
Yes. Ngayon, i-reduction ko lang muna yung ating
Dressing.
balsamic.
Bakit kailangan, chef, lulutuin pa yung balsamic dressing?
Sobrang asim. Kapag ka hindi mo siya ni-reduction.
Kasi wala naman siyang oil.
Reduction.
Hindi siya parang vinaigrette na may oil. Okay.
Wow, umuusok na, di ba? May apoy, di ba? Umuusok. May salt na wala.
Wala pa po.
Wala pang salt.
Hop.
Tama na?
Yes.
Pepper. There you go. Gusto ko maubos to. Sayang to eh.
She loves me.
She loves me not.
Gusto ko rin magtanim ng herbs sa bahay. So when you say, chef, na rin-reduce mo yung balsamic, what does it mean?
Tinanggal mo yung pinaka-acid. Ang naiwan na lang, yung kanyang
Asim.
tamis. Matamis to eh. There you go. Almost done. Now, lalagyan ko ng kaunting balsamic. There you go. Lalong mabango, Dens. Lalong sumarap, lalong gumandang kulay, di ba?
Lalo ng amoy.
Look at that. This the oil is good for the pasta. Pasta there. With the balsamic. Look at that, the balsamic there. Yan ang masarap ito, Dens.
Ayan.
Yan ang masarap yan.
Sumutin.
Yes.
Ganda. I think they're okay na.
Yummy. Look, very pretty. Beautiful. Okay. Smell the basil.
Parang bulaklak.
Diyan lang
Bango.
yan.
Mas mabango pa sa bulaklak.
Sino kayang mapalad na babae ngayong gabi?
Saan table kaya manggagaling?
A little bit visible here. Just untap lang.
Okay.
Because I put the chicken right now. Then, so, ping, 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 ping!
Yeah!
Ayan, next dish natin. Pan-roasted chicken with veggie pasta and balsamic vinegar. Bitena!
Nako, isa pang dish na...